Hello! If you have clicked this video, you probably are tired of seeing the Opera splash screen like me. So I'll first show a few ways that you would probably disable it. Splash screen on the settings, and then you just disable this configuration and it should no longer show the splash screen. The issue with the setting is that I believe that it will always still show the splash screen whenever you open the browser for the first time every day, so it's not all that useful. Another way to disable the splash screen completely would be to open the file location, open file location again, and then you just go to your latest version and search for the Opera GX/exe. So enable it, close. You can see it's still, for now it will be showing the splash screen. Now I can just rename to .oz or just delete this file. And now when you open Opera, you won't be able to use the splash screen anymore. So there is also an issue with this method. Whenever the browser updates, it will create a new version folder, and with the new version folder there will be a new Opera splash screen executable. So you would need to do this process manually whenever Opera updated. So there is a way to avoid needing to do this. That would be to rename this Opera auto update to exe instead to exe off. With this, the Opera will stop updating, so you wouldn't be needing to manually delete the splash screen whenever it updates, since it will no longer update. But well, I usually prefer to have my browser updated. So the solution I found was I made this script. It's on my GitHub. I'll put a link on the description if you have interest. The code is also open. So you can go to release, the latest version, just download the zip file and extract. There's these two files. This is the file that will automatically delete the Opera splash screen for you. Where is it? Splash exe. Okay. So I'll just show this for demonstration. It's here, so I will delete it. Or info run anyway. Okay, you can see it already deleted. So to set up this script to run whenever you try to open Opera, you just need to pick the file, the extracted file. You go to your Opera folder that I recommend using at least, and just paste here. Now you just double click and run the setup.vbs. Okay, should already set up. Now when you open Opera, I'll just pin this shortcut. Okay, so now I will update Opera and show you the script working. So this first time it will show up the Opera splash screen, but that's because I triggered the update manually instead of through the shortcut, so it didn't work. This didn't automatically delete the file now. Okay, I'll open file location. Okay, I'll just set up now. You can see the splash screen is here again since I've updated the browser. Now I will take Opera and just run. And you can see I already deleted the splash screen. I won't go into too much details. You can check my GitHub page if you are interested in checking the code. The entire code's right here, the nosplash.bat. This is the entire code. So yeah, I think that's about it. Basically what my code does is whenever you click the pinned icon or through the Windows start menu, it instead of directly launching Opera, it will first launch my file, this exe, and my script will first delete the browser, the splash screen, and after deleting the splash screen it will launch the browser. So this will set up on your taskbar pinned icon and on the Windows start menu shortcuts. So since it will trigger every time you open the browser, you will never have to see the splash screen again as long as you have this set up. And that's about it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I will try to answer. And thank you for watching.